Hey everyone, it's Peter from If You I Will, and today we're going to talk about Evergreen challenges or always active challenges. Now, there are a couple kind of challenges. You have the scheduled challenge, which starts on a specific date and ends on a specific date, and those are great for like charities or when you're doing stuff with friends, when you wanted to compete and say, hey, who can lose the most amount of weight from the beginning to the end of the month? And they're time bound. But let's say you're an influencer and you're using the platform to try to get more subscribers or to engage your users or to grow your email list. The Evergreen Challenge or the Always Active Challenge is a great way to go because anyone can join it at any time, and the day they join is their day one. So let's talk about how to create that. First, you go to ifyouiwill.com and you press New Challenge and write the title. So we're going to create a Boxers Challenge. And then put in your description. This should be the hook. This is what people will read to say, do I want to join this challenge or not? I've already written it, so I'm just going to put it there. Add any hashtags so anybody that is looking for the challenge can easily find it. Boxing, fitness. And then you see here it says scheduled challenge. We want to change that to always active. And now there will be no specific beginning and end date. And you can see that the beginning and end date disappeared. Those options disappeared because that's no longer relevant. Now we're going to come here and just like any other challenge, upload a picture. Upload something that's really going to grab some people. I mean, that's what's really important is that you have a picture that speaks to you and speaks to your challenge. Okay, let's see. There's the picture I'm looking for. And how do you want it to show up? Let's show in landscape mode there. So we're going to crop it like that, save, and continue. Now the if you terms, this is what you want people to do. The more you can get them engaged, the more you can get them to report out, to talk about themselves, the better the challenge. So don't just say something that'll be like done, because then you won't get that engagement that you're looking for. So maybe you write something like, post how you did on the workout, post a picture and the time it took to complete. So now you're actually asking for engagement. You're inviting people to comment on other people's posts. It's something a little more interactive. Now, because we're not putting a beginning or end date on it, we're actually going to time bound this on the number of check-ins. So let's say you want people to check in every day for a week. So you go here and you write 7 and every 1 day, or you can do like 4 times in 1 month if you do it weekly. But that's really the number of check-ins is going to dictate how long the challenge goes instead of actually putting a time-bound schedule in place. And then you publish. And that's it. That's as easy as it gets. Now the challenge is active. But now let's say you want to send an email every day to tell people what that workout is. So then you come here to Challenge Management and click on the menu here and say View Email. And you have no emails for this challenge. So I'm going to create an email. And it goes with the Boxers Bodies Challenge. And I'm going to say, hey, I want to link this to a milestone. I'm going to say milestone 1. And when do I want to send it? I want to send it, well, everybody's milestone is going to end at midnight on that day. So let's say I want them to get it at noon the day before. So I'm going to put 36 hours before. And then they'll get it at noon the day before, and then it expires at midnight the next day. And I'm going to change the subject here. Welcome to day, of the Boxers Challenge. And so these options are already completed. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to write my email. Oh, I can't type today. And of course, I'm not going to write the whole email, but there's various things you could do in this email. You can add a link. You can post maybe a link to a YouTube video. You could put the instructions of what you want. But when you're done, here's what the preview would look like. There's your challenge. There's the whole thing. And then the email text is down here. And when you're finished, press send. So now you can see this is welcome to day 1 of the Boxer Challenge, to be sent on milestone 1, sent before the milestone. You can always go back and edit these. And what you really should do is create all of the emails you're going to send over the course of the challenge. And then when a user signs up, they start getting those emails at the appropriate time. And you don't have to do anything, and you just watch your challenges grow. And for every person that joins, everything's taken care of by itself. You get to see their check-ins, but you don't have to take any action in order to send them the emails as they go. And that's pretty much it. So good luck, create your challenges, start hyping them on social media, and tell people the benefits they're going to get, and create your Evergreen challenge and start growing your email list. Until next time, see you guys.